Hey, hello and welcome to a new diamond painting video. For everyone who missed me, sorry, I was offline. I did not make a video for a very long time, almost a year. But don't be afraid, there was no big reason. I just had no time to do paintings, and sometimes I really don't have the feeling to do paintings. So then I don't paint, and yeah, then I do other things. But we are starting again, and you a little bit there. There is a painting coming behind me. It's a 1 meter wide, I think like this, and 45 centimeters high. So not that high, but wide. First of all, I was thinking, what should I do? Do I do something from Disney, or do I do a landscape or animals or whatever? And on the end, I decide to make a Tesla car. I really like Tesla cars. Do I own a Tesla car? No, unfortunately not. Will I ever own a Tesla car? I also don't know if I will ever own one. They are quite expensive. But if you want to sponsor me, go ahead. So yeah, it will be a white Tesla car. The background is a little bit like mountains. A little bit blurry, so yeah, I know blurry pictures into shape pixels. Will it be nice? 9 of the 10 times it's not really that amazing and good, but I did try it. If it's not nice on the end, we will not hang it up on the wall. What I did already is this part. So yeah, it's the greenery of the mountain, and some blue tones are here. Actually, it's the shadow that falls on the mountain. I show you the picture here. That is what it will be. The part that we are now going to paint is part of the car itself. I think it's 5 by 5 centimeters what I want to do, and then I want to do a little bit on the top again. So without anything else, let us start painting. And on the end of this video, I will show you the end result. This is the part that that I want to do. I want to start with this part, and later I want to look if I can start a little part here. If I remove this part, you will see here we have some more green tones, and here the start of the car is coming, and here you have more car. Actually, I said we wanted to start the car today, but actually I want to start this part, the first part, and this square here. Yeah, and here we have a part of the car, but on this part we don't see the car yet coming. Most of the time when I paint small parts, like this, or like a square, like a rectangle like this, or a rectangle like this. If I'm done, I remove my paper and change it to the next part. So let us start with this little square here, and then we do this part. So relax, and after I will show you the end results. So this is what we have done for today. This little part here, and the top part here. And actually, if I see the car here in his shape, I think it will be super nice. This part of the car already had 6 or 7 different colors. The start was Y and it was a pink, so I was thinking, oh my god, but actually it looks nice. What I mean here, you see all those different colors mixing in each other, and I don't see real grass, just like here. I don't really see the mountainside. Let us go a little bit, zooming out. Let me show you the picture. This is what it's going to be. So the part that we did today, let us see, here is this part here. The light comes there, so we really did the beginning and we did this part here. And what you see here in the picture, you really see mountain sides, but I don't get this right here. Here is the dark shape, that's this part, and yeah, this is the shadow here. What you see here, the light part, is I think this part here. But yeah, next time I will show you the end results from farther away, and next time we will going to continue this part, and we're going to do it like what we did here, layer by layer. So I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 layers maybe. So we will do this next time. So join me again next time in a new diamond painting, and let us see how the car continues. See you next time. Thank you for watching. Thumbs up if you like my video, and subscribe to my channel to see the next episode of this painting. See you soon. Thank you. Bye bye.